Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Boxycharm Premium and my base box for October of 2020. I'm so excited to get into this and see what I got because I really don't know, so I'm pretty excited. Also, I want to say in this video I do have a ColourPop Hocus Pocus giveaway. I will have it linked below. Definitely go check it out. But yeah, I just wanted to plug that in real quick. If you guys are into these types of videos, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I want to apologize first off about the angle. I just really want to show off my Halloween Town University sweatshirt that I got. So that's why we're angled it a little lower. Plus, we're hiding the double chin today. We're not in the mood for it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see what I got in my base box first. So let's get on with it. Okay, so here's everything that I got. We're gonna go through individually and start out by... Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, so first off, I want to say I did not get my choice item. This hasn't happened in a long time, but guess what, you guys? Unlike my last video, I know for a fact I have a screenshot, and I know for a fact I got an email, so they can't say that, well, since you don't have a screenshot, we can't fix it for you, because I know I have a screenshot. Let me find it. Okay, see, and I'll even put it on the screen. You will be receiving Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 03 Fair. I have that screenshotted. I wonder if I screenshot my email that I got. I don't know. If I do have an email, I will definitely put it up on the screen, but I'm a little annoyed that I didn't have my choice item. So Boxy, I will be contacting you. Thank you. If anybody else happened to not get their choice item, let me know in the comments below because that's annoying. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the first item that I got, which I am extremely excited about, by the way. I did make 2 purchases from Sol de Janeiro yesterday. I got one of these, but I got it in the Keep It Rio shade, and I got the brand new, not the 62 spray. I had that one in the big size, but I got the new one, the 71. So I'm excited about that. So this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter in Soulmate. I'm so excited for this. This retails for 20 bucks, and I'm so excited for this. I love Sol de Janeiro like so much, so I'm really excited about this. Is this gonna focus? Not really. Smells pretty good, and this is the shade, so I am really stoked about this. Can't wait to give this a try. Okay, and then next up is the item that I know was a choice item, but this is not what I picked. This is the Versali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, which retails for $24, which really isn't even a lot if you think about it. I happen to actually really like Versali. I think they have really good products. This is coming in a really nice glass type frosted bottle, so it feels luxurious. My camera doesn't want to zoom. There we go. I wonder if this smells good. I might give this a go because my face right now is drying out for the season. It doesn't have a scent, so that's good. It won't give me a headache. Love that. So I'm going to give this a try for sure. Next up from Hip Dot, we have some sponges, which retails for $18, which I don't really use sponges, but these are really cute little sponges, which I'm gonna keep anyways, because you never know when you're gonna be doing somebody's makeup, which I should be doing soon. So that will be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna put these in here with all the other sponges I haven't touched. And then next up we have something from, I don't know what this is, Grown Alchemist. It's a very plain box. This is a matte balancing moisturizer. So I have 2 different moisturizing face products in this box, so that's a lot of moisturizing face products, but it retails for $69, which is an insane price. Oh, okay, so it is a pretty bare little bottle tube thing. It's one of those like aluminum type tubes where it feels like, you know, Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? That's what kind of tube this is in. I don't know if I'm going to give this a try or not. I don't know, maybe I'll give this to my mom. But yeah, that's cool. Great. Love 2 skincare products in a box that moisturizes. And then next up from Pretty Vulgar, we have the Nesting BITCH Face Palette, which retails for $32. I haven't actually seen this, so I don't know what it looks like. So let's see it together. Oh, this is actually a really, really pretty palette. It kind of looks like there's fingerprints in it, which is kind of strange. But this is the palette here. This is actually a really, really pretty palette. I know I'm never going to use it though, but yeah. Okay, that is everything that I got. And I got number 42, which again, I didn't get my choice product, which I'm a little like annoyed about, but yeah, okay, let's go ahead and see what I got in premium. Maybe I will have a better experience over here and actually get my choice product, fingers crossed. So here we go for premium, my little card. Okay, yeah, I definitely got my choice item. I got the tinted face oil from COSIS. I got it in the 01 tone. I'm actually really excited to try this out. It's supposed to be kind of like a light, very light coverage or whatever, which I wanted to try it only because I know this brand is like pretty talked about highly, so I wanted to try out a face oil because I've never tried a face oil. I've only tried like a tinted moisturizer, but here's the product. I kind of want to give it a little swatch-a-rooney just to see like what it looks like, you know, whatever. It comes in a eye drop type bottle, and oh my god, that is like a runny formula. So I'm not entirely sure what exactly this is going to do for my skin, but maybe I'll make a... Oh, that is very liquidy. Maybe I'll do a video trying it out, but it does feel oily, so yeah, that's interesting. Next up, I got the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies Foolproof Exfoliating Pads. Oh, by the way, this retails for $35. No. $42. $42? That's a lot of money. Okay, this exfoliating swipies retails for $35. I don't exactly know what it is. So are they just like face pads? Because I'll totally use these. Oh yeah, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a go for sure. I wonder what these smell like. Ooh, they smell really, really good. So I'm gonna put that in my bathroom and definitely give that a try. Excited about this, and this retails for, didn't I tell you, $35. So excited to try this out. Next up, we have from Murad. This is the Hydrating Toner, which retails for no it doesn't. It retails for $35, and basically you just spray it, and it's supposed to be a toner. You do it in the morning and at night, and I'm actually excited about this too. And I'm gonna also put this on my sink before I go to bed. Next up, I have a lip gloss, lip locking liquid color 50 Kisses Laura Geller in Love Blush, and this retails for $21. You know, you see Laura Geller a lot at the TJ Maxx, you know, but I actually happen to really like Laura Geller, and this is an intense pink color. But you know what? I don't own any color like this, so of course I gotta have it. And it's actually really, really pretty. I don't mind the Barbie pink color here, which that's what this is. So hey, you just wait. I'm gonna rock this Barbie pink color. I don't even care. And that retails for $21. Next up, $20. Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. And this is in the shade Light Brown, which is going to be perfect. So if you get this and you have lighter brows like me, I use the shade Blonde. Or if you have darker brows, just like I've always said, do it light or press it harder and you'll get a different outcome. So we have the pencil side here, and yeah, this is gonna work fine. It's definitely a nice light brown. And then we have, oh, oh wait, this came out last year. I remember I talked about this. This came out last year because I was like, this little paddle looks so interesting. Now I remember. I don't exactly know what the paddle's supposed to do. Maybe it just helps flake up your brow. Oh yeah, that's what it does. So okay, I'm excited to try this. I remember I was gonna buy it and I didn't, but there's the shade underneath the pink. You can see it's definitely gonna work well for blonde eyebrows if you lightly press. But yeah, excited about this. And then the last item in here is a eyeshadow palette from Illuminati X ISA, ISA, designed by Isabel Bedoya. I don't know exactly what this looks like. I really haven't kept up with anything Boxycharm lately. This retails for $48. I've never heard of this brand before. Illuminati Cosmetics. At least I don't think I have. And I wonder why they put it in plastic like this, because now I'm on the struggle bus trying to open it. Okay, we have finally gotten it open, and let's look at the palette together. Oh wow. This is actually a really vibrant and beautiful palette that I'm like into. These light shades up here, and this purple dream shade looks so freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, okay, wait. I'm like, I'm excited about this. Hold on. I'm going to keep this. I want you to know that. So that's why I'm, oh my god. This green feels like butter. Butter. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. That's a beautiful pastel shade. Okay, hold on. The blue shade feels like butter. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this really pretty purple shade. That feels, oh, it's so pretty. Let me do a little bit more. That's a gorgeous like eyeshadow topper. Look at that. Oh, it's got like blue, maybe green. Wait, okay, don't sleep on this palette, you guys. This is a beautiful palette. Okay, wait, I gotta see what this yellow looks like. Let's see. Yes, look at that yellow. Okay, I'm excited about this. Maybe eyeshadow look coming soon. Okay, cool, great, love that. Now, overall thoughts, I'm annoyed I didn't get my choice item, naturally. I think that we got a good array of products, though I do think it was a little overkill in my base box to have 2 moisturizing products. Other than that, I think this is a really great box. I like that I got a Murad toner. Like, I cannot wait to spray my face before bed. And I do kind of like this little pad situation. The only thing that I don't like is that, you know, it's gonna go through pretty quickly because there's 50 pads. But overall, I think that I'm pretty happy for what I got and everything. I think the only product that I'm 100% not going to use is probably going to be this Resting Niche Face palette here. It just isn't calling my name whatsoever. I don't know why, but it's not. So I think I'm going to set this aside and give it for a Christmas gift, which is what I plan on using those pure brushes for. So I'm going to set this aside for a Christmas gift. And yeah. Okay, so let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. And yeah. I don't know what else to say. Give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!